This is my review of the PlantVital plant-based complete protein and green supplement. It's chocolate flavored, doesn't have any xanthan, added sugar, added salt, no dairy, no lecithin, no stevia. So it's completely vegan if somebody is a vegetarian. I am not, but I like that this is because I'm trying to eat less meats and dairy. I'm really bad at skipping meals. I tend to have breakfast and then I never eat lunch, and by the time I get around to having dinner I'm starving, and I definitely eat way more than I should. So I'm going to start having this as my lunch because it gives me a lot of the things that I'm lacking in my diet, plus it'll help balance my blood sugar and make me not overeat for dinner. But some of the things that are in here, it's really amazing, the ingredients. Pea protein, brown rice protein, pumpkin seed protein, and chia seed protein. They've also got apple, kale, broccoli, spinach, carrot, parsley, beet, green cabbage, blueberry, raspberry, strawberry, tomato, rice hull, spirulina, and probiotics. It also gives you 24 grams of protein, which is great. It's only 2 grams of carbs, so if you're on a keto diet, that's really good. Also, only 2.5 grams of fat. You're getting 44% of your iron for the day, 36% of your protein. It's low in sodium for those that don't like or can't take a lot of sodium. It's only 270 milligrams. To mix this up, you mix 1 scoop with 5.5 ounces of cold water. I may adjust it a bit and make it 8 ounces cold water because it's just easier, and then mix a little more of a scoop in there. But you mix it with a non-dairy beverage. I mixed it up with water and it mixed up nicely. It's almost like the consistency of a bit of a watery pudding. It's got a nice thickness to it. You can also mix it with orange juice or into a veggie smoothie. It says here to mix it with ice cold water to refuel your body after workouts. So really cool stuff. I love that it has so many ingredients of vegetables and stuff because I don't always eat all my vegetables like I should be. So yeah, check this out. I think it tastes good. It's super easy to mix up. This would be great to take on like camping trips or hiking because all you need is water to mix it up and you've got a meal. So yeah, check this out. It's a really cool product. Very healthy and very filling.